This is a 2009 Buick Lucerne. This four-door sedan has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 3.9-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, variable valve timing, a chrome grille, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 52,000 miles. Not to mention that this Buick qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Thompson Sales for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Springfield area since 1919. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 1555 East Independence Street, just off the James River Freeway. We look forward to serving you.